Hi, my name's John Darr with Darr Schacko Insurance Agency. So if you're watching this video, let me first thank you for being a client. We very much appreciate your trust in us and look forward to serving you for years to come. Now, chances are you've noticed that your insurance rate has gone up. Insurance rates in general are increasing right now for everyone. The hurricanes, wildfires, and other catastrophes that happen all over the world have an effect on the rates that we pay here in Florida. Some of that rate change may be due to your policy having what they call an inflation guard. An inflation guard is built in and automatically raises the amount of coverage that you have, so your policy keeps pace with the rising cost of construction. That may be a topic for a separate video, but in this video, I want to educate you on what happens if you were to switch home insurance companies. Let's say we find you a quote with a different insurance company. Now, as an independent agent, we represent lots of different insurance companies. Once you have the quote that you want, we'll help you apply for coverage. Once the application is completed, we bind coverage and pick an effective date. The insurance company has 90 days from that effective date to figure out if your house is actually eligible for their underwriting guidelines. They do that by inspecting your home. A home inspector will complete an inspection as quickly as possible. The results of that inspection will be sent to an underwriter at the carrier. Their job is to analyze the inspection and figure out if they like what they see or not. They'll look for things like mold on the outside of your home. Underwriters don't like to see mold on the outside of the home, even though in Florida, it's the ultimate breeding ground with our heat and humidity for mold. The insurance company will reject you if they find even a little bit of mold on the outside of your home. They'll also look for paint peeling or wood rot. Peeling paint and or wood rot won't necessarily cause a claim to occur, but they will reject it if they find it. They'll look for trees overhanging your home. Obviously, if trees overhang your home, there's a good chance that they're going to pay a tree damage claim. They'll look at the condition of the roof. Are the shingles lifting? Is there sufficient gravel still covering the shingles? Are they stained? I've had an insurance company cancel insurance for the corner of one shingle lifting. The insurance underwriter will look for these and many other things, so I think you get my point. There's a 90-day window for them to get off of the insurance. If you leave the carrier you currently have and get rejected by the new carrier, then guess what? The old carrier might not take you back. If you went back to them, their 90-day window opens up, so they would have the right to re-inspect your home, and if the new carrier found something wrong, the old carrier will probably find the same thing wrong. So what should you do? My suggestion is this: work closely with your Darr Schacko agent so that they can determine if it makes sense to switch carriers for whatever reason. I hope this helps you understand what happens when you switch insurance carriers. Again, thanks so much for being a valued client. Make sure you click the subscribe button and click the little bell next to it so you'll be notified when I release more videos like this one that educates you about your insurance. Take care.